Hi everyone. So today we are going to learn time-saving techniques to solve such type of questions for which a model is shown over here. So for a given reaction of first order, it takes 20 minutes for the concentration to drop from 1 molar to 0.6 molar. So the time required to drop from 0.6 to 0.36 molar L. Now see, you can do this problem just by using the integrated equation for first order kinetics as well. But then today I'm going to teach you a shortcut which can be applied. So the thing is, let's say that your initial concentration of a reaction which undergoes first order kinetics is, let's say, A naught. Okay. And let's start with T half. And its concentration was reduced to A naught by 2 in a time of T half. Now, let's say the T half of the system is 5 minutes. Now, this is not only applicable to T half, whatever time it is. Okay. So, what we have taken is for 5 minutes, our concentration has reduced by 50%. Now, please understand the difference. In the previous rank booster video, we discussed the drop in amounts. And here we are discussing it in terms of percentages. So you should not confuse. In zero order kinetics, it is in terms of the amount. And in first order kinetics, it is in terms of the percentage of the reactant which is decomposed. Now, what will happen in the next 5 minutes? Again, there will be a 50% drop. So it was A naught by 2. Again, it will reduce to its half, which means A naught by 4. What will happen in the next 5 minutes? Again, 50% of this will reduce and it will become A naught by 8. In the next 5 minutes, again, minus 50%, this will become A naught by 16. So this is the amount of the reactant left after 4 half-lives. Now, if I have to write it with an example, let's say that the initial concentration was 100 molar and in 2 minutes, 2 minutes is the half-life, suppose, it becomes 50% drop. In the next 2 minutes, again, 50% of 50 molar will be reduced. It will become 25. In the next 2 minutes, 50% of 25 is dropped. And how much is left? 12.5 is left. And in the next 2 minutes, 50% of 12.5 is decomposed, 6.25, so on and so forth.